Most people don't need a new life. They need a reset. Because deep down, it's not that you don't know what to do. It's that you've been stuck repeating the same days, the same habits, and the same excuses for so long that it feels like nothing will change. You wake up tired, scroll for a while, promise yourself you'll start fresh tomorrow, and then tomorrow turns into next week. If that sounds familiar, this isn't about motivation. This is about a 30-day reset that can quietly pull you out of that loop. The first thing you need to understand is that your life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes in small, boring decisions repeated daily. So for the next 30 days, stop trying to fix everything. Don't rebuild your entire life in your head. Just focus on cleaning up your basics. Wake up at a consistent time, even if it's not perfect. Drink water before your phone, and do one small task you've been avoiding, even if it takes 5 minutes. The goal is not intensity. The goal is consistency that you can actually keep. Around day 5 or 6, this is where most people quit, because nothing feels different yet. You'll still feel lazy some mornings, you'll still want to delay things, but here's the shift. You're not trying to feel different first, you're trying to act different first. And your brain slowly starts catching up. One unfinished task at a time, one cleaner morning at a time, you start proving to yourself that you're not stuck anymore. Now let's talk about the thing most people avoid: distraction. If your phone controls your attention, your life will always feel scattered. So for these 30 days, you don't need a perfect digital detox. Just create friction. Keep your phone out of reach for the first hour of your day. No social media until you've done one meaningful task. That one change alone starts to bring back a sense of control you probably forgot you had. By the second week, something interesting happens. You start noticing gaps in your day, moments where you used to scroll, but now you're just sitting there, slightly uncomfortable. That discomfort is actually progress. That's your mind waking up from autopilot. Don't rush to fill it, use it. That's where your thinking comes back, your focus returns, and you start remembering what you actually care about. In the final stretch of the 30 days, it's not about becoming a new person. It's about becoming less of the version of you that keeps abandoning yourself. You'll notice you hesitate less, you start things faster, you recover from bad days quicker, and you stop negotiating with every small task like it's a war. So if you want to reset your life in the next 30 days, don't look for something dramatic. Look for something repeatable. Wake up with intention. Reduce the noise. Do what you said you would do, even in small ways. That's it. And if you start today, not perfectly, just honestly, you won't recognize your life in a month.